Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope well. Verizon Business WiFi Router Overview. Business WiFi Router. Verizon Business offers Wi-Fi router to enable business to access high-speed internet wireless. 2. Router features high-speed high-speed connectivity. Verizon router are designed of development high-speed internet access meet the wireless technology. Wi-Fi standard router like support the list Wi-Fi standard such as Wi-Fi 6 to provide fast and effective wireless connections. Dual band of tri-band. Some router any option on the dual band tri-band features. Reading includes of import overview platforms security features. Network security Verizon router option including security features to provide the business network from protection layers. WPA3 electrician router may be support the last implementation standards such as WPA3 to enhance network security. Coverage and rank. Coverage area. Router are this land of provide broad coverage within and business permissions, illegal, strong and reliability Wi-Fi signal. Network of protection laws. WPA3 employs router many support the last increase standard which such as WPA3 to enable router's network security. Coverage and rank. Coverage area router are designed of the provide broad coverage within business permissions. Enables strong the reliability Wi-Fi signal. Mission networking in some cast router may support mesh network to the excellent coverage, access larger space, drive management, remote management. Business may have the ability to manage and monitor their Wi-Fi network remotely. Tag and website basic interface quickly for service Q0S. Some router allow business of protection calibration type of internet traffic car a better to using experience. Compatibility. Drive compatibility router should be compatibility with a very ability to drive including computing, smartphones, tablets and other connection devices commonly and used business setting.